Okay, and can we give a live feed of the? Okay, there you go. Okay,
Pinaka-clear talaga ito.
right, so typically we're showcasing a L6 panel. Okay, ibig sabihin ng L6 panel is the motherboard naka-integrate na sa loob ng ating chassis. Okay, and the monitor itself, okay, everyone, is our chassis. Okay, and here we have our basic components. Okay, and I think these are all the components you will also be needing to build a typical desktop everyone is selling today. Okay, so here we have our processor and heatsink. Okay, so processor and heatsink, and your typical hard drive. Okay, this is a 3.5-inch hard drive. Okay, and we have here a SOD. Okay, this memory is recommended for all-in-one because of their small form factor. Okay, but again, no issue. Everybody is selling this type of memory, and yung presyo niya is no difference compared to our traditional memory for desktop. So what we are going to showcase this afternoon is how easy it is to build a all-in-one PC, diba? So we're communicating to everyone for the longest time. Ay, ang bilis-bilis lang yan, okay? So again, I think to make this exciting, okay? Screwdriver, please. Alright. So tingin ko, it will be more exciting, you know, if we invite someone who do not have experience in building a PC.
Ito nga kasi naman yun, man.
Alright, I know you guys, medyo sawa na kayo sa akin. I've been doing the demo for the past 5-7 years. Okay? So what we'd like to do, I think, you know, to make this interesting, let's invite somebody who do not have a PC building experience in the past. Okay? Let me call on our distribution sales manager. Okay, Miss Vivian Pasha. Vivian? Here are all the components that you need, okay? And of course, so I'll be leaving Vivian here, okay, to do the build up, okay? And what happens is Giselle and Val will continue the discussion, okay? And at the end of the day, siguro mga 6 o'clock, babalikan natin si Vivian, okay? Hopefully, tapos na siya, okay? Alright, so let me put okay, Vivian, are you ready? Okay, I'm gonna do your, I'm gonna do a stopwatch para alam natin how long will it take for you to build up a all-in-one. Okay, and FYI, Vivian have no PC background, especially with the integrated. Okay, he's a user that never built a PC, okay, in her entire life. Okay, Vivian, you ready? Okay, go. All right. Val and Josh, okay, I'll be back later.
Okay, so Vivian, carry on.
Oo, good luck kumari, ha?
Good luck.
Okay, let's continue.
Okay. So as Vivian is doing and pag-integrate ng isang all-in-one, we'd like to highlight that itong all-in-one PC, if you can see from the slides there, lahat ng segment pwede siya. Except for the enthusiast segment, which of course we know requires a very high-end configuration, graphics card, so and so. But for consumers, it is a perfect product. Why? Because it's a very, very flexible product. Pwede kayong mag-install ng TV tuner cards, wireless audio, voice assistant. It can also have face recognition. You can watch HD videos or movies. You can also do your regular productivity, like sending emails, composing Word documents, doing your Excel, daily work. And of course, pati sa corporate clients natin, you can also offer corporate clients.
Word.
So they
Masisira
can
yung
also
word
do their
na lang.
emails, optimized videos, and IP calls.
Kinakahan siya natin.
Uy, tahimik kayo. Mga kaibigan. Okay, the enthusiast segment again. Nandito po kami.
So, sila na-enroll sa'yo, Bian.
Okay, so 2010, okay, Intel sold around 54,000 units of KSQs in the global market. Okay, surprisingly, a year after, we sold around 1.9 million of units. Okay, and the 98% of it is being sold by the channel. So, tatanong sa 2% is being sold by the MNCs.
Yes.
Okay?
So, we'd like to thank you, syempre, for your support, diba? Na you were able to sell this much KSQs na even kami hindi rin naman namin in-expect, but we'd like to thank you for the support.
Yeah, so in this kind of opportunity, we are stocking a lot of KSQs now from Core i5 to i7.
Okay, so continuing on sa ating enthusiast segment, we'd like to share with you na ito yung platform na we recommend. Together with the KSQs that we have, we also have the Z-Series Express chipsets, which is very much compatible with our third generation KSQs. So what are the features that this platform can do? Number one, performance tuning. When we say performance tuning, hindi lang yung CPU ang pwede natin i-overclock. Even in graphics and the memory, you can also do your overclocking. Switchable graphics, when we say switchable graphics, pwede kang palipat-lipat from your discrete and your onboard graphics. So what is the reason why you would want to have this feature? Siyempre yung discrete graphics natin, yung ating onboard graphics, we've been saying that it's very good when it comes to transcoding. It will automatically switch pag gusto natin mag-transcode ng videos. But if, let's say, we want to play our high-end games, automatically it will switch dun sa ating discrete, high-end discrete graphics. Of course, there's still the Intel Smart Response technology, which, of course, we need the SSD for smart caching. And also, we'd like to share that from the 6 series P and Z chipsets, we're now transitioning to the 7 series Z77 boards. Okay.
Okay. So, we're going to go change them, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we want to share with you yung Intel Virtual BIOS. So what is the Intel Virtual BIOS? We'd like to call on Mr. Jason T. to discuss more on this feature.
Yeah, because for so long, right, our technicians before, di ba, pag overclock sila, pinabaklas yung CPU. Now, it's very, very easy for us to overclock our processor.
Alright. Okay, can we have our PC here output to the displays, please? Okay, so what we are showcasing here is our very first GUI BIOS. Okay, so this is a walk away from the traditional okay, it's text-based, it looks boring, okay, it looks very monotonous, no? Okay, so Intel GUI BIOS